guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a chevron friendship bracelet, which is also known as a V sometimes. So the supplies you will need is some friendship bracelet string, a pair of scissors, and some tape. So let's just get into it. So to begin, you're going to choose at least 3 colors, up to as many as you want. I'm going to choose 4. And then you just want to measure your strings your wingspan. So you just measure the first one your wingspan, and then you can do the other 3 the same length as that string. And then once you have all your strings the right length, you're going to line up the ends, and then you're actually going to tie the opposite end where there's the loop, and you're just going to tie a regular knot. So now you can either put this on a water bottle or something that's heavy so that it doesn't fall over. But I'm just going to tape it onto this. You can do that as well. And make sure when you tape, it is above the knot you just tied. So once you have secured your strings, you're going to split the strings in half. So you want one of each color on each side. And then you're just going to line them up, basically mirroring each other. So you're going to have the same colors on the farthest outside, then the same one the next one, and the same one the next, and the same one on the inside. So now we're ready to begin. So you're going to take the furthest string and the second string, and you're going to make a 4 knot with the first string over the second string. So in my case, I have the maroon and the purple, so I'm going to make a 4 with the maroon over the purple, and then I'll put it through the loop and pull that through. And so that is a 4 knot. And then you're gonna hold the purple one taut, and you're gonna pull the maroon one up tight to make a knot. And then you repeat that again with the purple one. So you make sure to do 2 knots on each string. So next, we're going to move on to the next color. So this row is going to be a maroon row. So we're basically making knots over all the colors to make a row. So we're going to take the next one, so in my case it's a pink one, and I'm going to do 2 4 knots over that pink one. And then we move on to the next one. Depending on how many strings you have, you would just continue this until you get to the middle. You don't go all the way across. And so then you do 2 4 knots over that peach string. So as I said, once you get to the middle of the colors, you stop, and then we're going to basically do the same things, but with backward 4s on the other side. So you're going to take the string that's the farthest end, so it should be the same color as the one that you just did across, so the maroon, and then you're going to take the next one, which is the purple, and you're going to make these backward 4s. It's very similar to the regular 4, it's just reversed. And so then you're going to take that and pull it tight and do 2 knots on the purple string, and then you're just going to continue that and do backwards 4s on all of the strings until you get to the middle. And then when you're finished with that, you should have 2 of the same colored strings in the middle, so that means you did it right. And then you're just going to take those 2 strings and do a forwards knot with those to finish off the row. You want to make sure you do this at the end of every row with the 2 of the same colors, or else there will be gaps throughout your bracelet. So this just kind of completes it and makes it look more finished. So then you're just going to repeat that same thing over and over again. So you're going to take the color on the farthest ends and work your way in, and then tie them together, and just keep continuing that until your bracelet is finished. So after a few rows, you should start to see your V pattern, and you're just going to continue that until it's as long as you would like. And once you have completed your bracelet, it should look something like this. Yes, I know these are different colors, I was just using it as an example, but this is what your design should look like. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe down below, turn on post notifications, and give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!